We have been talking about a three-layered architecture approach. It's a way to break down the problem statement into three fundamental components: netco, opco, and servco. These are the three building blocks of how we talk about a three-layer architecture. Now, netco means it's a foundation. It's how the network infrastructures are built and designed. It's really the foundation of how any operator would create an asset pool that allows to serve their customers. The second layer of the foundation, beyond the foundation, is opco, which is how do you operate with excellence in engineering and ability to create simplified operations that is scalable and yet highly cost efficient. And the third part of the three-layered architecture is the servco, which is how to take advantage of a highly efficient operations and a network infrastructure, which is a netco, that serves the needs of the customer on a customer experiences. Now, one of the very unique things of why we have been talking about this three-layered architecture is so that the capabilities and the innovation that can be brought in each one of these components can be very unique. So we believe that that's a fundamental way of looking at how to break down the problem statement from building the asset, operating the asset, and using the operator to serve the customers. We are ushering in the new era, which is driven by AI. When it comes to the network operations, I believe we are in a very, very early stage. However, at Tech Mahindra, we have built a very robust roadmap of how we can start from where we are to achieve a fully autonomous and cognitive networks. And imagine the world in future where a network operations engineer or any person who is operating the network effectively uses the AI tool and shares their intent of what they want the network to do. Now, whether you are dealing with the faults, whether you are dealing with the very critical incidences, there is so much data that is available in the network, and we are not harnessing the power of the data, leveraging the tools of the AI to be able to drive decisions out of it. And this is really where we are very excited about the opportunity where the AI becomes an autonomous engine for complete end-to-end automated network operations. We at Tech Mahindra believe that the cognitive networks will pave the future for the operators to drive simplicity for their network operations and create a much more scalable operations environment that can include and embed new technologies at a much faster pace and deliver on a very varied set of customer experiences. Our theme Racing Ahead means racing ahead with innovation, leapfrogging from the competition, leapfrogging the current technologies, and giving an opportunity for our customers to adopt the latest and the greatest. Now, when it comes to the network operations, the operations plays a vital role, a very fundamental role in terms of how agile a business can be to serve the customer needs, as well as to take advantage of the new technologies that are coming in the market. We look at 5G today, we are of course keep looking for next generation of technologies with 6G and other open architectures. What it means is that for network operations that we can be highly flexible, very simplified, and leverage all the power of the next gen technologies in a way that our customers can get the services much faster. So when we talk about racing ahead and in the context of the network operations, they are very closely connected to each other. And I believe that without transforming the operations that are highly simplified and are much more scalable, we will not be able to race ahead and serve the needs of the customer that are expecting for us from future. We are very clear in terms of what outcomes that we want to achieve for our customers. And we typically describe that in three words: simplify, modernize, and monetize. Simplify operations, modernize tech stack, and monetize the capabilities and the assets that the customers have. So when I talk about the use of cognitive networks and operations, when I talk about the racing ahead theme, all of these really translate into the kind of outcomes that we are looking to produce for our customers. And when I say simplify operations, at the end of the day, the operations is one of the largest cost structure for the operators. Simplifying it and leveraging the power of AI to drive serious amount of innovation and cost opportunities, cost savings in that is clear-cut objective that we have. The second goal of modernizing the tech stack is also very clear for us because the adoption of all of these new technologies that are coming on board, how that can be adopted into the day-to-day practices, and also what processes and what capabilities that are to be changed inside the operations, inside the operator's environment is very critical. So we are very committed to help our customers modernize their tech stack, adopt these new technologies. And third, of course, a very vital one, which is how can we help our customers monetize their assets by leveraging the power of our customer interactions and the power of what we can do in terms of different industry verticals. So to summarize, what we do for our customers and the commitments that we have are categorized into three: simplify operations, modernize tech stack, and monetize their assets. Well, first of all, I'm really excited this time that we are going to be showcasing a Formula E Mahindra racing car in our booth. So to all of you who are visiting us, please come by. You're going to be very excited and blown away by the experience that you will get. And by the way, you'll get to see the car simulator as well. Now, that's just about the car, but car is a representation of what Tech Mahindra does for our customers. Through the car and the rest of the demos that you will see in our booth this time, you will get to experience the entire journey of how Tech Mahindra is helping our customers in NetCo, OpCo, and the ServCo, the three-layer architecture that we have been talking about. You're going to see a very real, practical, demonstrable solutions that can be implemented today for our customers. And in fact, several of them are already being implemented for our customers. So you're going to see that. You're going to meet a lot of the folks from Tech Mahindra who are integrally involved in making this come to life for our customers. So you're going to get the opportunity to see an exciting Formula E car. You're going to get to see an amazing set of demonstrations of real practical solutions that are implemented and ready to be implemented today. And you're going to get to meet with the people who make it all this happen. I can't be more excited about seeing you all there in Barcelona.